Morning guys, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to use codes on this device. So let's open your phone dealer at first, as this is the panel where we can enter the codes. The first one, the shortest one, is *#06#. It's super useful code. As you can see, you've got the necessary info like IMEI and serial number right in front of you within a couple of seconds. So whenever you need them, just provide this code. Don't look for it on the box or in settings. This is the quickest way to reach it. Tap on OK to exit, as this is all for this code. And another one that I would like to show you is *##4636 *##. Okay, so it's not working on my device. I'll check one more time, but it may work on yours. It depends on the software. Okay, it's not working, but this one is Google testing mode, so you will be able to check your Wi-Fi details, your phone information, signal strength, and so on. Just go through all the info if only it's working. But still, we have a few more codes. Another one is *##426 *##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic panel. This panel allows you to check events and status. So here we've got kind of advanced information. If you want to explore it a bit more, you can open advanced view. To do it, just tap on more icon and mark advanced view. And here you've got way more details. Just go back, as it is all for this one. And another code that you can use is *##225 *##. And here we've got the calendar info. Actually, I do not have any calendar connected with my device. However, if you do have, I don't know, Google Calendar, this device's calendar, some other calendar, iOS calendar, like all calendars connected with this particular device, all the data stored on them would be displayed right here. So you will not forget about any upcoming events. Everything will be displayed in one place. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.